The lens retrofit kit, it's a pretty nice product that's coming out. It's basically a retrofit for almost all troffers that's out there, and the simplicity of it is that it can be installed with a little under 10 minutes. Very little work to do, a little bit of hardware attachment, and we're good to go with that. And it's a nice solution and economical too, and that can be upgraded anywhere. The DLC certification for this is in progress. We should be getting it next week, and this product will be released. We'll give more details about the product in a second. It will be released mid of September. A quick understanding of how installation is done. Basically all we have to do is remove the existing troffer out, remove the lamp, disconnect the ballast, and attach two hardwares to the end, hook the hinge onto it and snap it right shut, and of course wire it and snap it right shut. It's a very simple process. These are edge lit as opposed to a lot of them out there which are direct, so it's a very nice uniform clean looking product, and CRI of 83, and we have a couple of different color CCTs available that we'll discuss in the data sheet. The best part about it is that we have very few people offer this. We have over 100,000 hours of LM80 test data using the TM21 calculation, so it's a very robust long life product. Think basic construction. It's a galvanized steel body and nice white reflectance on the side. We are going to offer two sizes, 2x2s and 2x4s, and pretty much any troffer out there, it could be retrofitted with this without actually having to remove the fixture, directly install. And we will have a installation video available when the product is released. We will have 0 to 10 dimming with standard 0 to 10 dimming controls, and it's a simple dimming driver. Then this probably is not clear on the screen. If it is, great. Basically it's going to be available in 3 color temperatures: 3500, 4100 and 5000, and the 2x2 wattage is about 22 watts. We are averaging well over 90 plus lumens per watt on this, and the 2x4s is about 35 watts, and that's getting closer to 100 lumens per watt on this, and good life, high power factor, and the whole product is less than 3 inches in profile depth, so that's why it can fit into almost all existing troffers. And the model selection is available down at the bottom. We can see how the model numbers are selected, and it's a pretty straightforward product. So it's a very good product. There's a lot of interest in this. We will have stock of this mid to late September, and we will launch this product second week of September, and it's already got a lot of interest, so we probably will start by getting additional stock also. Moving on to the next product, which is the LED Lightbars, which is MAXLITE'S third generation of light bars that's coming up. If you already don't know about this product, it's a simple, very small profile, less than 1 inch profile product, which is directly operates without a need for a driver, directly on 120. And we have variable lengths, which we will discuss later, from 6 inches all the way up to 6 feet. And it's a clear alternative to linear fluorescence and halogen alternatives, much more energy efficient. Applications would include under cabinet, general cove lighting, accent lighting, and it's a hugely popular product. The biggest change that's coming up with this is that we are actually improved dimming on this, so we will be getting DLC as well as Energy Star under the separate categories for this product, which is very nice compared to the previous generation, and it dims very well down to about 5%. So that's the biggest change come from the last. Now a quick note from the last generation to this is, since we've changed the board, driver board on it, it will not be compatible with the last generation, but all accessories will work just the same. Dimmable down to 5%, like I said. We've gone the extra length to actually get NSF certification, so it will be suitable for food preparation areas. It's only 120, and hardwire configurations available, multiple mounting options available, and all of these can be linked end to end to actually make longer lengths. And it's basically a linear extruded aluminum for good heat conductivity and neat finish, and uniform with a nice diffuser, so it avoids any kind of hot spot. The biggest complaint in the industry is that it produces hot spots. Most others produce hot spots, but the nice diffuser, this does not. And I think I mentioned this already, we have an integral driver built in, and we don't need external drivers for this, so it directly operates on 120. It's available in powder coat finish for now. So discussing wattages and lengths, the 6-inch standard, all these are standard models on top. The 6-inch is about 3 watts, 1 feet is about 6 watts, and the subsequent feet increase 1 through 6 feet is on an average about 6 watt increments. And the 6 inches produces about 150 lumens. The 1 feet produces about, I would say, 350 to 370 lumens, and multiples of that as we go into higher length segments. So yes, it is NSF certified, you're right, and we will hold some stock of the older versions if something goes out there, but we will obviously need to have plan for it. But these cannot be used in coolers and refrigerators because the temperature limit is 0 Fahrenheit, and some coolers are lower, so we've not certified it for that. But I'll answer questions specifically later. We do offer a ambient and a high output option, which is only available in the 12-inch model, which could be combined to create larger lengths. The ambient is a lower light level than compared to the standard. It's 4.2 watts at 240 lumens, and a high output would be about 570 lumens with 9.5 watts for the same 12-inch. And CRI, we do have 90 CRI options available, but the standard is 80. And mounting options, the standard one comes with a clip mount that would get screwed on to the location, and this would just clip right on. We do have double tape option as well as a swivel clip option, and recently we've just tried out a magnetic mounting too, so that's available also as an additional pack that could be added. There is an end-to-end bar joiner, so it will be clean, smooth joining between, I wouldn't say seamless, but it would join end-to-end. We have 4-inch, we have multiple length segments. I'll show on the next page. There's a bunch of different accessories that would plug in directly. CCTs, they're available at 27 and all the way up to 5,000. The standard ones are 3 and 4, and we could always get them from 27K all the way up to 5,000. And we do have junction boxes, 1 through 4 connectors, multiple different options, and those hasn't changed from the last version. So including the CCTs and the CRIs, the biggest change from the last version is that it is better dimmable, and we will have Energy Star and DLC on this, and NSF. So that's the next page, actually shows the certifications that we've got, and it's suitable for damp location too. All right, and I'll definitely take questions at the very end for this. The specification sheet is again preliminary. We will have this product getting all its certifications by mid of September, so end September is the potential release date. We will have stock of this product mid-October based on the shipment dates that we have currently, and the lengths and color temperatures, like I said, 27, 35 and 5K are the 3 color temperatures that we have. And the test at this point we did was all on 90 CRI, but the standard would be 80 CRI. Alright, so that's with the light bars. Moving on to the next product, which is the downlight retrofits. These are much better variety of retrofits that we're getting in. It goes 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch and 9-inch available, and multiple lumen packages. The biggest thing to note is that we're standardizing all our model numbers based on the lumen packages instead of wattage, so we could maintain that lumen package because the LED wattage is dropping, and we don't want to keep changing our knowledge of what the product will do going forward. So all of these are standardized on lumen packages. We have a 1,000 lumen bracket, a 1,500 lumen bracket, a 2,000 lumen bracket, 3,000, and potentially even a 5,000. We're working on that too. So, and these are available in multiple CCTs: 27, 35, 4,000 and 5,000. 3,000 and 4,000 are going to be standard. The others could be placed by order. We have a 7-year limited warranty, which is a new thing. Most of them until now we've only offered 5 because the L70 rating is 250,000 hours, which is very unique. It's a very good LED COB that we're using in here. It's 12277, 0 to 10 volt dimming, unlike our previous model, and also triac dimming. And we also have the option to vary the beam spreads. It'll be special order, but flood beam is standard, and it comes with optional retaining clips if it doesn't fit in with the existing can, and of course UL and 80 CRI is standard. That's all we offer right now. It's construction basic aluminum reflector with a haze finish, and reflectors have, well, they have heat sinks based on the size of the LED engine, 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch and 9-inch. And I think the standard basic stuff, this is nothing new. It's direct easy retrofit for easy maintenance. All right, some of the data sheets, again, we're not going to publish this until we have all the certifications in hand. Energy Star and UL are in process right now. Will these replace RR series? Well, it is technically supposed to. We are working all the details out. When it gets introduced immediately, RR series will not go away, but it will get phased out eventually. The 4-inch will come only in the 1000 and the 1500 lumen and the 2000 lumen range. And the wattages are mentioned right there. It's about the 1000, it's about at 11 watts. The 1500 is close to 20 watts, and the 2000 lumens is about 28 watts. Very good lumen per watt efficiency on these. The 6 inches would come in 1000, 1500, 2000 and 3000 range of lumens, and the 8 and the 9 inch would be available complete range from 1000 all the way through up to even 5000 lumen product. Now we are working on the 5000 lumen products, so we will have details about that also soon. But we should have all certifications done by end of September. Again, we are looking at a first to second week of October release, and we will have products in stock to sell by first week of October. And it's also available in the 9-inch, and that's pretty much with the downlights. It's a pretty straightforward replacement, except that it's a much better product, a wider variety, wider range of options and sizes and lumen packages and color temperatures. Alright, so that's pretty much with the 3 products. If you have any questions now, or just want to wrap up with saying that the MAXLITE Technology University is available online. If you needed to learn more about specifics of the LED as a technology or how it can get used, you will get your ALA or CLC credits. With that, you can get information on the MAXLITE's website, and we do custom product and technology training. We can do lunch and learns, breakfast and learns, online webinars. If you have any questions, please email Bill Fenimore, bfenimore@maxlite.com for more information. And there is also one of the biggest services we offer is utility rebates. We do have somebody special that can give you more information based on what's needed. That's Joe Pater. You can talk to him. And alright, so question and answers. Are there any maximum temperature limits for can retrofits? Well, these are meant to operate from -4 to 133 degree Fahrenheit, but the standard operation is up to 133 degree Fahrenheit. It's been tested for. Do we offer EMG for downlights? EMG, I would assume, is emergency drivers. At this point, the emergency downlight emergency option is there. It's just that since it's a retrofit, we need to put it in a housing before we can offer it to you. We don't have it directly available immediately, but it'll be offered soon enough. What is the current inventory of the light bars? Well, the light bars, we have a lot of it that's coming in this month or next month. We have some stock of it, but most of them are allocated, I would think, but a lot of them are coming in within the next 2 to 4 weeks. But this new light bar will start to ship only in October. So October 1st to 2nd week is about when the new light bars will get shipped. Alright, if you have any questions, feel free to email or get in touch with us. And again, this is Ramesh, the indoor product manager. If there's any more questions, please email us. We'll be glad to give you more information. We are very excited about these new products that's coming out and looking forward to helping this move along to you guys.